They don't have fickles.
Okay, tough 10. Question number 5. Kung isang araw lumapit si Robin o si Ram sa inyong dalawa at sabihing, Mom, Dad, tatay na ako. Anong gagawin nyo?
May matay ako.
Handa na ba kayo maging lolo at lola?
Ang unang isipin niya, sana fickle-minded kayo.
Hindi rin. Hindi pa rin. Oh, anyway.
Are you ready to be
God.
grandparents?
Alam mo,
Are you ready?
Ako hindi ako ready.
Neither am I.
You're not ready?
Only because
Robin,
it's not
go to your room.
It's not about being grandparents. Kasi gusto ko after whatever happened in our lives. Siyempre, parang ngayon nare-realize ko, dapat yata nga, mas mag-enjoy muna yung mga anak namin. Madami pa silang dapat ma-experience.
Yes, hindi yung mga anak nila.
Tapos, madaming gawin bago sila mag-decide to be with someone
Okay.
special.
Tough 10. Question number 4.
Take your time.
Pops, in better terms na raw kayo ulit ni Jo Marie, pero hindi pa rin kayo fully okay.
Wala naman si John
Bakit?
dito sa...
Sige, I'll leave. Go.
Yeah, okay. Tsaka muna.
Okay, can you not listen muna? O sige, sabihin mo na ano.
Hindi, okay.
Magkakabalikan
okay
ba
in
kayo?
the sense, hindi. Okay in the sense na finally nag-uusap na kami. Pero yung mga serious usap, hindi pa. Pero
Nagbati na ba sila ni Martin?
Ewan
Kasi di ba
ko,
muntik na sila
nagbati na ba
mag-away?
kayo? Hindi naman. Nag-away ba kayo?
Hindi kami nag-away.
Oo.
Hindi pa. Pero hindi kami hindi kami nag-away. Hindi kami
Pero yun lang. I think,
nag-date.
kasi nga tama-tama, bagong taon. So, di ba dapat you leave everything, all the pains
Yeah.
and the whatever that happened.
You were able
not
to
sort of
talk
things.
at least, and now you're okay.
We're okay.
That's
yes.
good, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that okay with you? They're okay?
Whatever makes Pops happy makes me happy. Whatever makes her sad makes me sad. Whatever makes her mad
Bakit
makes me
minsan
mad.
happy ako, nakikialam ka pa rin pag happy ako?
Ay! Never.
Oh.
Slightly lang.
Hindi lang.
Slightly.
Okay, follow up. Tough 10. Question number 3. Martin,
Dear.
sa mga lalaking na link kay Pops,
Oh, come on. Stop it.
bukod sa'yo, okay, sino sa tingin mo ang dapat nakatuluyan niya? And bakit?
I have a list here. I'll show
Sino
you.
pa na link kay Pops?
Oh.
Aside
sino?
from Jo
Sa
Marie.
lahat ng mga
Sa lahat ng mga na-link sa
Sobrang
kanya.
unfair.
Who was the best for her?
When I answer this question, it doesn't mean totoo or that I believed it. Basta nalilink lang,
Oh,
right?
nalilink.
For
Oh,
me, I think, and I've said this before, to the person,
What?
Piolo Pascual.
Oh my God!
Sige nga,
Siya
paki-explain.
lang. Because
Bakit?
he's such a nice guy.
Na-link pala si Piolo kay
Di ba?
Pops?
Nag-link kayo, di ba? Did I just...
Girl, don't be jealous, ha?
Oh my
Ay,
God!
grabe ka naman. Uy, abangan niyo yung
No, it's true. There
endorsement namin
there
ni
was.
Piolo.
There was. You didn't, because wala pang SNN or at the time, so you didn't know. But yes, there was a little konting chismis
Okay.
lang. I approve of him.
So,
because-
boto ka?
Yes.
Bongga.
Nice
Hindi ko
guy.
alam yun.
God-fearing, good-looking, everything.
Okay. Should you ask
Family,
me that
good
question?
father.
Should you ask me?
No.
I don't want to ask you.
It's so
Okay.
unfair. It's always me. It's never
Yeah.
him. Paano yun?
You're more
Okay.
exciting.
Medyo na-shock pa rin ako doon. Okay, game. Tough 10. Question number 2. At this point in your relationship as exes, in good terms, ano ang meaningful na kanta nyo for each other? Can you sing one line to each other? One line lang. Anong
we're so
song
bad
nyo
with
para sa isa't
songs.
isa as exes? Sakit naman nun as exes.
Oo nga, I don't know.
A song for me and then
Yeah, like, anong
need-
song na i-dedicate
Okay,
mo kay
I'll
Pops?
skip this one. I'm totally clueless.
a song for Pops now as exes.
Ikaw,
Ano,
for
miss
me
you
na
like
lang.
In
crazy
good
ba?
terms?
Always? Reunited?
I think for Pops
Galingan mo, oh.
it would be what's that song? Wind Beneath My Wings.
Wind Beneath My Wings. Okay, one line.
I have no idea how that goes, but it's a good answer.
Ano ba yun? Yung,
Did I
di ba?
ever tell you
You're
you're my hero?
You're everything, everything I wish I could be, and I could fly higher than an eagle.
You are the wind beneath my wings.
That's the one.
I love it. Bagay talaga sa inyong dalawa yan. O, hindi pa tapos ha. Ito na last. Tough 10. Question number 1. Pops, Martin,
Rufa.
Kapag nagtinginan kayong dalawa ngayon, magtinginan nga kayo, ano ang mas nararamdaman nyo? Pagnanasa?
What's that?
Pagnanasa, hindi niya
explain niyo
alam.
muna, hindi niya yung pagnanasa.
Desire?
I know that.
Or panghihinayang?
Ang hirap naman ang
Regret.
question yun.
Do you feel desire or regret?
You first. You mean
Mata sa mata.
today, as of today. ibig
No,
sabihin.
whenever.
Whenever?
Panghihinayang or pagnanasa?
Teka. Siguro sa akin, paghihinayang. Kasi, sayang, di ba? Kasi syempre, when we decided to get married, every woman naman, di ba, when you get married, you want it to be really a forever thing. And ako rin naman, gusto ko sana, lalo na sa akin, kasi I came from a broken family. So gusto ko, nung kinasal kami, sana ito na yon. At ito na talaga yon. Kumbaga sa tatanda na kami together, and then we'll raise our kids together. Pero okay na rin to kasi magkaibigan kami.
Yes. Ako naman, it's a regretful desire.
Regretful desire.
Because
Can
yung
you
desire,
expound?
kailangan may, kung may desire ka, tapos yung kabila, yung partner mawalang desire, it's very regretful ang results. Kasi it doesn't, parang it's you're hitting a brick wall or you're a dead-end street.
In other words, you have desire for me.
Well,
That's what you said.
I may be stupid, but I'm not blind. Did you got it? Fist
No.
me. Come on.
Uy, so
fist
teka
me.
muna, wala na
Yeah,
talagang pag-asa in the future. Bakit naman si Elizabeth Taylor tsaka si Richard Burton kinasal after so many years?
Yeah, but what happened to Richard?
He died. Okay,
He
game.
didn't die because they got together.
What did he
They
die
got-
of?
What did he die of?
Never mind.
Naku,
What did he
happy
die
thoughts,
of?
happy thoughts.
Happy thoughts
One more
only.
time.
Yes!
Very
February
good.
14.
What a great host.
Sunday.
Sunday.
Ticket World. They can get their tickets at Ticket World. You better watch.
I'll
Everybody
watch.
here
You
in the
invite me
buzz.
later.
Please do.
Yes.
Okay, thank
Join
you so
us.
much for
Thank
being such a
you.
good sport and for being so honest here on The Buzz. And for me, I'd like to thank Dr. Vicky Bello, 819 Bello, Stephen Doloso for my makeup, Brent Salas for my hair, and Micaela Salon. Thank you very much. And follow me on Twitter, I love Rufa G. Huwag po kayong aalis kasi magbabalik pa po ang...
The Buzz!
Lose control. The Hidden Truth. Julian Santos at Ryan Agoncillo. May tatapusin at may sisimulang bagong yugto. Matitinding paglalantad ang mga lihim. Ibunya. Dito lang sa mas pinalakas, mas pinatindi at mas eksplosibo.